up, my super duper fabulous madam people around the world? I'm Yowawerts, and today I'll be showing you another cardboard candy machine. The last time I made one was probably 7 months ago, so here is my new vending machine. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell to get notified, and might as well smash that thumbs up. We are only 5,000 subs away from reaching 20,000 subscribers, and it would really help out if you join the Yowawerts fam. Enough talking, let's now proceed to this ultimate vending machine. So here's a 360-degree view of the machine. I designed it with the candy's name, which is Mr. Dodo, and Mabel from Gravity Falls. Just like the previous machines I made, this machine is thief-proof, so you can't shake anything out from it. Centavo coins, 25 centavo, and 1 peso coins are rejected by this machine. Insert a 5 peso coin, push and pull the lever, and you get your baby bottle candy. By the way, this candy isn't only sweet, but it also has toys inside, and the sour taste powder where you dip the candy. Again, the machine won't work without paying a 5 peso coin. So here's how the machine works. 10 centavo, 25 centavo, and 1 peso coins get rejected because they're too small to pass through the coin trap. However, a 5 peso coin passes through this hole and makes its way down. When pushing the lever, the coin also pushes this piece which the candy falls into. And when you pull back the lever, the candy falls out to the prize chute. So far, this was the easiest vending machine I made. I don't know if there's someone who've already made a machine with this mechanism, but just so you know, I just made up the whole thing including the mechanism, so if you're going to make this machine, don't forget to give credits. It's very simple to make, so if you want to make this machine, go ahead and check the description below and click on the link to watch the tutorial. Now I think that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've already hit that subscribe button as well as that cute little bell. Again, this is Yowawerts. Stay tuned for more cardboard craziness.